911, what is your emergency?
My husband has collapsed. He doesn't seem to be breathing. I think he's had a heart attack. Please help me.
Ma'am, please try to stay calm and give me your address.
Continue with the ACLS protocol and we'll meet you at the door. This is Dr. Lum 2840 over now.
One of atropine and 100 milligrams of lidocaine.
Did you get a pulse back?
We have no pulse. He's still in VFib. He's been shocked at 200, 300, and 360.
Okay.
3 times. Does have a extensive cardiac history. Not sure of his doctor.
1, 2, 3,
802.
4, 5. Your breath sounds bilaterally. 2, 3.
And Cardizem. No known allergies or anything like that.
Are you Mrs. Trott?
Yes.
My name is Ann. I'm a nurse, and I was just with your husband, Bill, and he's doing fine now. He's going to be all right.
You have just seen an example of the feeling of triumph we experience when a life is saved. A life is saved, and sadness turns to joy.
Breathe. Oh, gee. Wonderful.
Hello, I'm Lee Peterson, President and Chief Executive Officer of Sun Health. Sun Health is your symbol for quality health care and lifestyle enrichment. We enjoy the privilege of serving prominent communities in Arizona, including Sun City West, Peoria, Youngtown, El Mirage, Surprise, Litchfield Park, and Wickenburg. Our reputation has afforded us the distinction of being one of the leading providers of healthcare services in the country. Let me take a couple of minutes to tell you about our beginning. In 1959, already prominent developer Del E. Webb began work on a retirement community that would establish new standards of living for one of the fastest growing segments of the American population. A true visionary, Webb recognized the need to provide recreation which encouraged a healthy, active lifestyle. He also recognized the healthcare demands his fast-growing communities would create. So in 1966, the Del Webb Corporation and a group of Sun City residents began planning to establish a hospital to serve its community and the surrounding areas. In 1969, ground was broken and construction began on the first of the 2 hospital towers. And on November 6, 1970, 5,000 residents gathered for the dedication of the Walter O. Boswell Memorial Hospital. The first part of our dream had been realized. Now that you know how we began, let me show you who we are today. We'll begin with Boswell Hospital, an internationally acclaimed medical center where the latest technology blends with home-style caring, concern, and compassion. Here, internationally recognized physicians and researchers working with high technology and the best tools of their profession team up with nurses, technologists, therapists, healthcare professionals, and volunteers to create a positive, cheerful atmosphere that speeds and assists the healing process. In addition, Boswell Hospital offers the only heart surgery program in the Northwest Phoenix metropolitan area. In 1988, Sun Health opened its second hospital, Delhi Webb Memorial. Located in Sun City West, Webb Hospital is the centerpiece of an 80-acre planned healthcare campus. As an integral part of the Sun Health network, sharing the technology, experience, and tradition of excellence begun by Boswell Hospital, Webb Hospital offers quality health care and wellness programs to growing Sun City West and surrounding communities. In addition to medical and surgical services, the hospital's medical psychiatric program offers help and encouragement to adults with behavioral, emotional, or chemical dependency problems. Our physicians are recognized leaders in many fields, including cardiology, oncology, neurology, urology, and orthopedics. The Sun Health team of healthcare professionals, led by our physicians, provides preventive and corrective surgical procedures in areas such as neural and heart surgery. In fact, Sun Health's hospitals combine to lead all other hospitals in the state of Arizona in the treatment of the following conditions: stroke and brain disorders, blood supply to the brain, abnormal lung tissue, heart failure and shock, certain circulatory disorders, colostomy and ileostomy, inguinofemoral hernia, gastrointestinal hemorrhage, hip and femur procedures, nutritional and metabolic disorders, and prostatectomy. Also, our esteemed staff of researchers are highly specialized in the study of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. The new picture archiving and communication system, better known as PACS, recently installed at Boswell and Webb hospitals, is the first fully integrated medical imaging network of its kind in the country. Our staff physicians provide the finest and most up-to-date treatment and preventive techniques through access to some of the most modern equipment and technology available, including magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, CT scan and mammography, state-of-the-art vascular lab for non-invasive testing of blood flow, and neurophysiology, measuring electrical impulses and responses of the brain and nerves. With two major hospitals, a medical staff of more than 400 physicians, plus researchers, nurses, technologists, therapists, healthcare professionals, and volunteers, Sun Health has a tremendous capacity to protect, preserve, and enhance your quality of life. The benefits of Sun Health research programs will reach around the globe.
Mr. Peterson.
Hi, Pamela.
It's nice to see you. Will you have a few minutes later this afternoon?
Sure will.
Great. Could I visit with you then?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sun Health also stands for more than its hospitals. We're committed to family support, counseling, wellness, long-term care, hospice, home health, and health screenings. Our School of Nursing provides an excellent teaching facility in our community. Dedicated students learn their profession in classrooms and hands-on, real-life situations. Their daily contact with patients is a practical learning experience. Companionship, fun times, and good meals are some of the features of the Olive Branch Senior Center. Meals on Wheels volunteers deliver hot food prepared by our hospital's food services departments, not to mention daily personal contact with the homebound. Sun Health Home Care Services includes coordinated home health and ProCare programs. These programs promote independence by providing specialized assisted care in the home. Sun Health Hospice provides a compassionate and understanding atmosphere for the terminally ill and their families, Although death is never easy, it is reassuring to know that our professional staff and devoted volunteers are specially trained to support families and their loved ones during this difficult time. The Sun Health Care Center and the Delhi Webb Extended Care Center are designed to serve those who need nursing care and convalescence, either on a long-term or short-term basis. These centers are dedicated to providing quality care in a comfortable, friendly atmosphere. At our Sun Health Research Institute, researchers are seeking to unravel the mystery of age-related diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, cancer, and arthritis. With a staff of researchers from around the country, scientific investigation focuses on finding the causes and cures for these debilitating disorders.
We really are making progress in Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease and some of the other disorders that affect the people in our community. From this microscope to this big, beautiful building, all of this was done thanks to your generosity. I think soon you'll see just how much that generosity has been worth.
Sun Health is committed to caring for generations. Therefore, we actively involve ourselves in community outreach programs to encourage wellness and to enhance your quality of life. We reach out in a variety of ways, including the annual Race to Health, health fairs, providing speakers for community organizations, First Edition Health Resource Library, and Sun Health Choice Lifestyle Enrichment Programs. These unique choice programs offer a variety of community education classes such as CPR training, memory retention, exercise, and nutrition. In addition, support groups share practical information on various diseases and disorders. Giving to others is one of life's greatest pleasures. Members of our Sun Health Auxiliary know this to be true. As a vital part of the healthcare and healing team, these volunteers find personal satisfaction and fulfillment by applying their talents and time to help others.
Being a volunteer of the Sun Health Auxiliary makes me feel great because of service to people.
It's a good feeling.
The Sun Health Foundation is the charitable organization that raises funds for the nonprofit healthcare services coordinated by Sun Health. Through contributions, the foundation has helped to meet important needs such as purchase of state-of-the-art medical equipment, expanding and improving existing facilities, and developing valuable community services and programs. Golf tournaments and the Sun City West Variety Show are examples of ways our foundation supports Sun Health. In fact, our foundation is recognized for its fundraising activities which completely funded the construction of the Sun Health Research Institute, the acquisition and installation of the first picture archiving and communication system in the country, and renovation and expansion of the hospital emergency service areas. Sun Health Properties develops and manages medical facilities for the Sun Health organization. They develop and manage real estate property related to healthcare activities and invest available funds for the benefit of the nonprofit Sun Health family of healthcare services.
Hello? Yes, is this the Sun Health?
A relationship with a personal physician is a vital component to your good health and well-being. A simple telephone call to the Sun Health Physician Referral Service will give necessary information to help you wisely select your physician. Today, more than 15,000 people carry the Sun Health Care Card. This emergency identification card may be used at either hospital to assist the admitting process. The Care Card also provides many other positive benefits such as discounts on consumer products and services, and as your library card at the First Edition Health Resource Library. In these few minutes, we've shown you some of the ways Sun Health provides quality health care, wellness programs, and proactive lifestyles to the communities we serve. That's Sun Health, standing strong, caring for generations. Where cotton fields and feedlots once stood, today you find one of the leading healthcare providers in the world.